Rewarded Play and Mistplay use different reward systems, so the app that pays more depends on how you actually play, not which one has the better marketing. One rewards time spent in eligible games, while the other rewards progress and engagement in supported titles. By the end of this video, you'll know which app is likely to earn you more based on your gaming habits, and which one is the better choice for your device. Here's the short answer first. If you play casually for short sessions across several games, Rewarded Play is often the easier option because you can start earning points quickly after installing recommended games. If you spend longer sessions on a few games and don't mind leveling up or reaching milestones, Mistplay may offer better long-term value for that style of play. The next thing to compare is game selection. Both apps recommend games that qualify for rewards, but the available offers change over time. A game that earns rewards today may disappear next week, and new offers are added regularly. That means your earning potential depends as much on the current offers in your account as it does on the app itself. Redemption is another difference. Both apps let eligible users exchange rewards for gift cards, but available reward options can vary by region and account. Before investing hours into either app, open the rewards section and make sure the gift cards you actually want are available. Your device also matters. Mistplay has historically focused on Android users, while Rewarded Play is also designed around supported Android devices. If you're using a platform that isn't officially supported, your choices may be limited regardless of which app seems to pay more. There's also the question of consistency. Switching between several reward apps usually slows your progress because each app tracks activity separately. You'll often earn rewards faster by sticking with one app until you've redeemed your next reward instead of splitting your gaming time across multiple platforms. If you're trying to maximize earnings, install the games recommended inside the app, keep location and tracking permissions enabled if required, avoid duplicate accounts, and don't use emulators or modified versions of Android. Those issues can prevent rewards from tracking correctly or even lead to account restrictions. So here's the bottom line. Rewarded Play is generally the better fit for casual players who want simple rewards from trying different games. Mistplay is often the stronger choice for players who spend more time progressing through individual games. The better paying app is the one that matches how you already play. Compare the current game offers in both apps before committing your time, then focus on one platform until your next redemption. If this comparison helped, like the video and subscribe for more reward app guides and updates.